Hi, our fourth question in Gauss elimination method. Solve the system of linear equations using Gauss elimination method. Our equations are 4y plus 3z equal to 8, 2x minus z equal to 2, 3x plus 2y equal to 5. First we have to write the augmented matrix AB. Augmented matrix AB equal to matrix. Here in the first equation there is no x, that is 0x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 8, that is 0, 4, 3, 8 as first row. In the second equation no y, that is y 0, x 2, z minus 1, 2 as second row, that is 2, 0, minus 1, 2 as second row. In the third equation, no z, that is 3x, 2y, 0 z equal to 5. Now we have to reduce this matrix into, this augmented matrix into row reduced to echelon form by using some elementary row operations. Here it is equivalent to, the first element of first row is 0. So we have to change this R1 and R2, interchanging R1 and R2. We are interchanging R1 and R2. That is 2, 0, minus 1, 2 as first row, then 0, 4, 3, 8 as second row, then 3, 2, 0, 5 as third row. Now we have to make these two elements are 0. Here no need to change the second row because in the second row the first element is 0. Therefore, first row 2, 0, minus 1, 2. Second row 0, 4, 3, 8. We are changing third row, that is changing 3 into 0. That is R3 becomes R3 minus here R3 becomes R3 minus 3 by 2 R1. That is 3 minus 3 by 2, 2. That is 3 minus 3 becomes 0. Then 2 minus 3 by 2, 0. That is 2. Then 0 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. That is 3 by 2. Then 5 minus 3 by 2, 2. That is 2. Now we have to make this 2 as 0. How it is possible? Our first two rows are fixed. That is 2, 0, minus 1, 2. Then 0, 4, 3, 8. 0, 4, 3, 8. Now R3 becomes R3 minus R2 by 2. R3 becomes R3 minus R2 by 2. That is 2 minus 4 by 2. 0. Then 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 0. Then 2 minus 8 by 2. That is minus 2. Here the system of linear equation is of the form Ax equal to B. Here A is this matrix 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 4, 3, 0, 0, 0 into x is x, y, z equal to constant matrix is 2, 8, minus 2. Now we have to find the rank of A. What is rank of A? Rank of A is rank of this matrix, that is rank of this matrix. Rank of A is rank of this matrix, that is 1, 2. Rank of A is 2. Then What is rank of augmented matrix AB? Rank of AB. Rank of augmented matrix AB is, that is rank of the whole matrix. That is 1, 2, 3. Here rank of the matrix A equal to 2, but augmented matrix AB's rank is 3. Rank of A not equal to rank of AB. Rank of A not equal to rank of AB. Therefore, the system is inconsistent and has no solution. The system is inconsistent. Has no solution. Here we get as rank of A not equal to rank of AB. Therefore, the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Our next question is given. We have to solve this system of linear equations. First, write the augmented matrix AB. Augmented matrix AB is 1, 2, 1, 3 as first row. Then 2, 3, 2, 5 as second row. 3 minus 5, 5, 2 as third row. Then 3, 9 minus 1, 4 as fourth row. Now we have to reduce this into row reduced echelon form by using some elementary row operations, which is equivalent to the first row of first element is 1. Therefore, no need to change the first row. That is 1, 2, 1, 3 is a fixed row. Now we have to make this 2 as 0. That is R2 changes. R2 becomes R2 minus 2 times R1. That is 2 times 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 3 minus 4, minus 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 6, minus 1. Now we have to change this 3 as 0. That is R3 becomes R3 minus 3 times R1. R3 becomes R3 minus 3 times R1. That is 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 11. Then 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 9, minus 7. Then we have to change this 3 as 0. That is R4 becomes R4 minus 3 R1. That is 3 minus 3, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. Then minus 1 minus 3, minus 4. 4 minus 9, which is minus 5. Now we have to make this minus 11 as 0. That is first 2 rows becomes fixed. First row 1, 2, 1, 3. Second row 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1. Then R3 changes. R3 changes. R3 becomes R3 minus 11 times R2. R3 becomes R3 minus 11 times R2. That is 11 minus 11, 0, 0, 0. Then 2 minus 0, 0. Then minus 7. Here R3 becomes R3 minus 11 R2. That is 11 minus 11, 0. First element 0. Then second element 0. Then 2 minus 0, 2. Then minus 7 plus 11. Minus 7 minus minus 7 minus minus 11, which is 4. Now we have to make this 3 as 0. That is R3 becomes R4. R4 becomes R4 plus 3 times R2. That is 0. 3 plus 3 minus 3, 0. Then minus 4, minus 8. Now we have to reduce this minus 4 into 0. That is, here first 3 rows becomes fixed. 1, 2, 1, 3. Then 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1. Then 0, 0, 2, 4. Then R4 changes. R4 changes to R4 plus 2 times R3. R4 changes to R4 plus 2 times R3. That is 0, 0, 0, 0. One row reduced to 0. Now we have to change this into, here it is in the row reduced to echelon form. Now we have to find the rank of A and rank of augmented matrix AB. What is rank of A? Rank of A is rank of this matrix. Rank of this matrix, that is 1, 2, 3. Rank of A 3. What is rank of AB? Rank of augmented matrix AB is the rank of the full matrix, that is 1, 2, 3, also 3. Here the rank of A equal to rank of AB, therefore the system is consistent. What is the number of variables? Number of variables also 3, that is X, Y and Z. Here rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to number of variables equal to 3. Therefore the system is consistent and has unique solution. What is the meaning of unique solution? Only one solution. The system is consistent and has unique solution. That is only one solution for X, Y and Z. Here, now we have to find the solution. Here the system is consistent and has only one solution. Now the system of linear equation is of the form Ax equal to B. Here A is the matrix 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. What is X? Variable matrix, that is X, Y, Z. B is this matrix 3, minus 1, 4, 0. By multiplication we get X plus 2Y plus Z equal to 3. Then 0x minus y plus 0z equal to minus 1. Then 0x plus 0y plus 2z equal to 4. Then 0x plus 0y plus 0z equal to 0. Here we get 3 equations. That is 2z equal to 4. Therefore z equal to 2. Then back to back substitution we get the values for y and z. Here what is y? Also we get minus y equal to minus 1. That is y equal to 1. We get as z equal to 2. Also y equal to 1. Then what is x? X equal to 3 minus 2y minus z. X equal to 3 minus 2y. 2 minus z is 2. That is x equal to minus 1. We get the values for x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 2. That is unique solution. Only one value for x and only one value for y and only one value for z. That is the system is consistent and has unique number of solution. Here x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to 2 as the solution of the system of our question. One more question is here. Solve the system of linear equations. The equations are given. First we have to write the augmented matrix AB. Augmented matrix AB is matrix minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2. Minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2. Then 2, minus 5, 1, 2. 2, minus 5, 1, 2. Then 3, minus 8, 5, 2. Then 5, minus 12, minus 1, 6. Now we have to reduce into row reduced to echelon form by using some elementary row operations. Here we have to make this 2 as 0. Then we have to make this 3 as 0. Then 5 as 0. First we are making this 2 as 0. Write the first row. Minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2. Then R2 becomes R2 minus R2 plus 2 times R1. Here R2 becomes R2 plus 2 times R1. That is 0. Then minus 5 plus 4. Minus 1. Then 1 plus 6, 7. Then 2 minus 4, minus 2. Now we have to make this 3 as 0. That is R3 changes. R3 becomes R3 plus 3 times R1. R3 becomes R3 plus 3 times R1. That is 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 8 plus 6. Minus 2. Then 5 plus 9, 14. Then 2 minus 6, minus 4. Now we have to make this 5 as 0. That is R4 becomes R4 plus 5 times R1. That is 0, minus 2, 40, minus 4. Now we have to make this minus 2 as 0. Here, first 2 rows are fixed. That is minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2. Then 0, minus 1, 7, minus 2. Now we have to change this minus 2 to 0 by using R3 becomes R3 minus 2 times R2. That is 0, 0, 0. Also we have to make this minus 2 as 0. That is R4 becomes R4 minus 2 times R2. That is 0, 0, 0. Now 2 row reduced to 0. Now we have to find the rank of A. What is rank of A? Rank of A is the matrix, this matrix. Rank of A is this matrix, that is 1, 2. Here 2 0 rows. Therefore rank of A 1, 2. Now we have to find the rank of AB. AB is augmented matrix. Rank of AB is also, rank of AB is the rank of this whole matrix, that is 1, 2, also 2. Here rank of A equal to rank of AB. Therefore the system is consistent and has solution. Here rank of A equal to rank of AB. Therefore the system is consistent and has solution. Here the system is consistent and has solution. What about the number of variables? Number of variables is 3, x, y and z. Number of variables 3. Number of variables are x, y and z. That is 3. Here equal to rank of AB, but less than number of variables. Therefore, the system is consistent and has infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. Here the system is consistent and has infinite number of solutions. Then the system of equations is of the form Ax equal to B. What is A? Here we get two equations, that is minus 1x plus 2y plus 3z equal to minus 2. This for x, minus 1x, this for y plus 2y, this for z plus 3z equal to minus 2. Then 0x minus y plus 7z equal to minus 2. 0x minus y plus 7z equal to minus 2. No more equations. Here only two equations. Here two equations. Three variables. Two equations, three variables. Therefore, we have to choose this 3 minus 2. This 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Variable as t. One variable as t. Here we have to choose this 3 minus 2 equal to 1 variable as t. That is, from these two equations, we have to find the values for x, y and z. From this equation, here we have to choose y equal to t or z equal to t. From the second equation, we have to choose y equal to t or z equal to t. Here we are choosing z equal to t. Then minus y plus 7t equal to minus 2. Then what is minus y? Minus 2 minus 7t. Then what is y? 2 plus 7t. That is y also depends upon t. We choose z equal to t, which is arbitrary function t. Choose z equal to t. We have to choose either y equal to t or z equal to t. I am choosing z equal to t. Therefore, we get y equal to 2 plus 7t, which also depends upon t. Then what is x? That is x equal to 2y plus 3z plus 2. Plus 2. Here from the first equation, x equal to 2y plus 3z plus 2. X equal to 2 into y is 2 plus 7t. 2 into y is 2 plus 7t. Plus 3z, z is t, 3t plus 2. By opening the bracket, we get as x equal to 4 plus 14t plus 3t plus 2. That is 6 plus 17t. We get the values for x, y and z. X equal to 6 plus 17t. Y equal to 2 plus 7t. Z equal to t. All these three values depends upon the arbitrary constant t. That is, infinite number of solutions depends upon that value of t. Depends upon the value of t. Our question has infinite number of solutions. That is, x equal to 6 plus 17t, y equal to 2 plus 7t, z equal to t. Okay, thank you.